Welcome back to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspiration. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and today we have a fabulous episode lined up for you. We will be diving into a stunning under $100 kitchen makeover that was completed in just 5 days. Can you believe it? Affordable and quick, just the way we like it. So, let us jump right into this amazing transformation. This kitchen makeover was the brainchild of artist Jasmin Pannu, who took on the challenge of adding warmth, personality, and beauty to a client's kitchen. The space was already well done, but the client felt it was missing that certain something to make it truly special. Enter Jasmin and her creative vision. One of the standout features of this makeover is the stunning mural that Jasmin painted on the ceiling. Yes, you heard that right, the ceiling. Special ceiling treatments are often reserved for entryways, living rooms, and bedrooms, but Jasmin saw the potential in the kitchen and decided to go for it. The result? A breathtaking statement ceiling that completely transformed the space. The mural cost under $100 and was inspired by the client's favorite spot in her home, her balcony. The balcony, which connects to the kitchen, is adorned with beautiful foliage. Jasmin wanted to bring a bit of that outdoor charm inside, and she did so by choosing paint colors that complemented the client's existing furniture, artwork, and overall space. Together, they selected sample-sized paints in blues and greens, including Benjamin Moore's Celtic Folklore, Grenada Green, Bluebell Island, and Surf City. These colors added a fresh, vibrant feel to the kitchen. Now, if you are thinking of tackling a similar project, Jasmin has some great tips for you. First and foremost, preparation is key. She and her client made sure to cover every surface of the room before beginning the mural. This is a crucial step to protect your kitchen from any paint splatters. Next, they used chalk to create outlines of where they wanted the shapes to go. This step, which costs less than $5, is a game changer and makes the painting process so much smoother. Another important tip is to choose matte paint for ceiling murals. Matte paint helps to hide any imperfections and gives the mural a sophisticated finish. And do not forget to take lots of stretch breaks. Painting a ceiling can be physically demanding, so it is important to take care of yourself throughout the process. In total, the project took 5 days and completely transformed the kitchen. The mural draws the eye upward, making the space feel taller and more open. It even overlaps a bit onto the sides, making the soffit on the right-hand side of the kitchen look seamless with the ceiling. The result is a cohesive and visually stunning space that the homeowner and her friends and family absolutely love. So, there you have it, a stunning under $100 kitchen makeover that you can complete in just 5 days. With a little creativity and some careful planning, you too can transform your space into something truly special. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and tips on our next episode of Daily Interior Design Inspiration. Next up, we have a wonderful DIY project that I think you are going to love. It is stylish, affordable, and incredibly easy to do. We are talking about a stunning vase made from 2 IKEA finds, and let me tell you, it looks so expensive. This fabulous hack comes from Instagram user Maliki Dursun, who has truly outdone herself with this one. All she did was pick up 2 items from IKEA, the call front lampshade and the set of cylinder vases. The total cost? Just $50. Maliki posted this creation on her Instagram account, and the result is simply breathtaking. The call front lampshade, which comes in black, is available in 2 sizes. It forms the outer part of the vase, giving it a unique and modern look. You can spray paint the shade any color you like, but the basic black works wonderfully in rustic farmhouse, mid-century, or Scandi-inspired interiors. Inside the lampshade, Maliki placed one of the cylinder vases. You might already have a glass vase at home that fits perfectly into the call front shade, so do some experimenting. This clever combination turns a simple lampshade into a stunning flower holder that will have all your guests asking, "Where did you get that?" And the best part? You get to proudly tell them that you made it yourself. This DIY project is a perfect way to add a touch of creativity to your decor. Plus, it is super easy to do. All you need is a bit of spray paint and some imagination. So, if you are looking for a stylish and affordable way to elevate your flower arrangements, give this IKEA hack a try. I promise you will not be disappointed. And make sure to check out Maliki's Instagram page for more ideas and inspiration. That is all for today's episode of Daily Interior Design Inspiration. I hope you found these tips and stories as inspiring as I did. Remember, you do not need to spend a fortune to create a beautiful home. With a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can transform your space into something truly special. Until next time, happy decorating.